Hi. I am going to show you how to fix this annoying error by 3 different methods. First, let's test on this app which mayn't be working. Right-click on it and run as administrator. If it worked so good for you, your problem is now solved easily. If not, the second step is to download essential apps for your Windows. These apps are the DirectX and the Visual C. You can download them easily from Microsoft website and install them. Then go to your This PC and click on Computer. Then uninstall or change programs. Then Programs and Features. And go to turn Windows features on or off. You will see this Windows here. You have to make sure that the Volt.NET framework versions are checked. If one of them is not, usually the 3.5, check it and click OK, then it will download this feature automatically. You will just wait for it to finish. After you download their apps, try opening your program if it worked good for you. If not, try with first step again. If still not working, follow the last step. You will need to download this file. I will leave the for it in the video description. Extract this file. First, go to In-Game folder. You will see 2 files. To know which one to use, go to this PC and right-click, then Properties. You will see if your Windows is 32 or 64. And open the same one as your Windows. Copy the files in this folder. Then go to your game file and paste these files. Replace if it asked to. After that, go to DLL files and copy these files. Then go to this PC, C disk, then Windows file. Hit S on your keyboard and search for System32 and Syswow64. Then paste the files in these folders. Now after all this, your game should be working. If not, restart your PC and try again with Run as admin. So that was today's video. I hope it was helpful. Thanks for watching.